Hey, what's going on today, guys? Okay, today, guys, I would like to come to you and do a fair and honest review on a company called LoanMe. Okay, now LoanMe, they have two different loan types that you can get. You can get a personal loan or you can get a small business loan. Okay, now pretty much everybody knows, how to get a personal loan. But the business loan is pretty cool. You can get, if you're starting out with a business, you can get a business loan from $3,500 all the way to $250,000. Small business loan. All you got to do is be 21 years, well, have a business and be 21 years of age. Now, if you want a personal loan, you can get a personal loan from $600 all the way up to $20,000. Yes, which is pretty good. Now, these loans, roughly, they say it takes 5 minutes. I'm going to say roughly 5 minutes because 5 minutes is a pretty short amount of time when you're doing, there's no telling what you could be talking about or whatever. Now, the one thing about these loans that seem to be kind of with all the other loans is the origination fee. Now, it does have origination fee, which is sometimes it's a flat rate and sometimes it's a percentage of the loan. I think it depends on how big the loan is. Now, not all of the loans have a origination fee. So you might want to talk to them and see, if you can get a loan that doesn't have an origination fee, and that would be really helpful. That would save you a lot of money. Just to let you know that if you could talk to them about, the origination fees. Now, the APR, the percentages on this, it can go from 35% all the way up to 99%. Yeah, 99%. That's a lot. And they said that 35% is more of a credit score with a 760 or above. Okay, now if you got a credit score 760 or above, that takes you down closer to the 35%, which is pretty good. Okay, now, if this is kind of, what you're looking for so far, let me tell you what it takes to actually get one of these loans. Okay, let's start with the business loan first. Now, with a business loan, you have to be 21 years of age. Okay, 21 years, at least 21 years of age. You have to, have your business for at least 90 days with a little bit of an income, I guess just showing some money for the 90 days. It has to be for profit business status. The business status has to be for profit. You have to have a business banking account, with checks and stuff under your business name. Your business banking account has to be under your business name. And then you have to have a personal line of credit somewhere, $500 or more. And then you have to have a voided check, I guess, kind of, identification that you do have a business account and, the name. And also they're going to need your routing number and probably stuff like that, because if you're going to get this money within 3 to 4 hours, they're going to have to get it there to you pretty quick. So that's what that's going to be about. Now, as far as a personal line of credit, it's kind of a basic personal line of credit. Well, it's pretty simple, but I said basic. But you got to be 18 years of age. That's it. At least 18 years of age. Now, your checking account has to be an online banking account, at least have the capabilities, I guess, so they can deposit the money in your account and they like to withdraw the money out of your account or whatever. And then have a valid ID. Okay, valid ID and then a voided check, I guess, so they can get your routing number and stuff like that off of it. So, and proof. They need proof of income, which, everybody wants, a recent pay stub or two, or whatever like that. So, it sounds pretty reasonable to me. As far as credit or credit scores, they really didn't say a whole lot about a credit score. They said if you did have a 760 or more, you would get a lower, percentage rate or whatever. But so just, if this sounds, good to you so far, now I'm going to tell you, there is pros. I did look at the reviews and there are pros and cons to this. Now, the cons kind of equal the pros. It's, a little bit both ways. But the people that liked this really liked it. And the people that didn't like it, it was probably one or two, three reasons why they didn't like it. And I think it was mostly the percentage rate. But as far as pros, they say great customer service, which is good. They say that you feel comfortable, which is good. They say it's courteous. They say they're professional. You get your money quick. And that just lets you know that they say you get your money quick. And then people in the review say you get your money quick. So that's good. Now, as far as they like to help people that's in like a financial emergencies and stuff, I guess, you know, they do, which is good. I like that. Now, the people that they bragged on, I'll let you know those people here in a minute. But now there were cons too. Now, one of the well, this ain't the biggest, but I only got two. So one of them is that, you know, they want to take the money out of your account. Now, the thing about that, the problem that this guy was having was his payment is due on the 15th. He was putting the money in there on the 1st. Well, it would be pending, and I don't know until what, because he said if you don't call them and have them apply that money to your account, then it would actually be late. And then once it becomes late, they would harass you and stuff like that, which is, you know, kind of normal how people do. They want their money. But that was a pretty big deal, and it just, I don't know if it's the system, you know, the computer system or what, that just makes the money pending or whatever like that. I don't know. Now, the other one was another guy that he received an offer in the mail. Okay, it was for like $2,600 to, you know, something else. Well, anyway, he applied online for the loan, and he applied for the $2,600, and he got the $2,600 he applied for, which is great. Now, the problem came in is that, okay, they set him up on a 47-month payment. Okay, 47 months, that's what, like 36 months is 3 years. So this was like 4 years. They set him up for 4 years. Now, it was for $297 a month. $297 a month for 47 months. I was like, so I done the math on that myself, and that came up to $13,957. $13,957 on a $2,600 loan. I don't know what the percentage on that is, but that is crazy. And then I was seeing on there where a lady was like, you know, she got a loan at 125%. It was a couple different ones like that. And yeah, it was crazy. So I just, you know, bringing this review, just to let you know that please do your research. I mean, I'm sure this is a great video, but just check out the APRs, check out the percentage rates and stuff like that, and make sure it's something that you really want to get into. And if it's not nothing you want to get into, just back out of it, please, because man, this could really make some problems for you. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Do me a favor, be good to yourself, and please be good to others.